Alright, hey everybody, Pack a Day back again, and today I thought we would check out this pack of 1993 Fleer Ultra Series 1 with, looks like, Dennis Eckersley subsets here. So let's check it out. Alright, first up, got Chuck Finley. Looks like these are going to be stuck to each other a little bit. And next we got Mark Gabuxa. I'm not even sure how you pronounce that. Don't remember that guy. Rusty Meacham. Donovan Osborne. These were some pretty nice cards for back in 1993. So we got Robbie Thompson. Yeah, this is like one brick right here. Got Ron Darling. Ugh, I hate that noise. Alright, got Alex Fernandez. John Dobson. John Keeley. Mike Mussina. Mike Schooler. Ed Sprague. Pat Mahomes. And our last card is Darren Fletcher from Montreal. Alright, well, unfortunately, those stick together pretty badly, but I don't think there was too much damage to the card themselves. So, but anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I put up a new video every single day. All right, thanks, guys. Take care.